Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Lost Map RPG Level 1 by Gross Jacket. Looking at the code we can see forever blocks, point and direction blocks, and handle heal blocks too. Journey through the lost map to find potions, treasure, and of course goblins. Next we have Viking Wars version 1.2 by Voiceless, Waltz. Checking out their code, we see when occurs blocks, set label to blocks, and broadcast blocks too. Race against the opposing Vikings in the catapult to bring your enemy's castle to the ground. Here we have The Range by Relieved Color. In their code, we see when actor collides blocks, handle hit blocks, and script variable blocks too. Home on the Range has a different feel to it, but try to survive. Last but not least, we have Bridge by Comrade in a Box. This user created a text coding project. We have 3 bridges to choose from to cross, but be careful, you must choose the right one. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.